In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a color in Capcut. This technique is perfect for green screens, product shots on colored backdrops, or anytime you want to make a specific color transparent so you can layer graphics or footage behind your subject. Start by opening Capcut. You can use the web version or the app. The interface is very similar. Once you're in, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. On the Canvas setup screen, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. That's the vertical format used by most short-form platforms. If your project uses another size, that's fine, but 9:16 will keep everything framed correctly for phones while we demonstrate the technique. Next, add your video to the timeline. Import the clip that contains the color you want to remove. A solid, evenly lit color like green or blue works best. Drag it onto the timeline and make sure the playhead is positioned over the portion you want to preview. Open the Smart Tools section. This is where Capcut groups its AI-assisted features. First, click Remove Background. This can quickly isolate your subject from a busy environment, which helps if the background is distracting or uneven. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the background drop away. If your clip already has a clean solid color that you intend to key out, you can proceed directly to the color removal step. Now click Chroma key. This is the tool designed to remove a specific color based on hue. Choose the color picker, then move the eyedropper over the exact area of the color you want to remove and click. Pick a spot that represents the most typical shade of that color in your clip. Avoid highlights or deep shadows if possible to get a cleaner key. After selecting the color, adjust to refine the result. Increase strength to make more of that color transparent. If you push it too far, you might start losing detail in your subject, so move slowly and watch the edges. Use shadow to soften the transition between your subject and the removed area, which helps prevent harsh outlines and flicker. Scrub through a few seconds of footage to see how the key holds up as lighting and motion change. If parts of the background remain, nudge strength up. If your subject starts to look cut out or desaturated, back it down slightly. Zoom in to check hair, edges, and semi-transparent areas like glass. That's it. You've removed a color in Capcut and prepared your clip for clean layering and creative backgrounds. Save your project, and you're ready to build out the rest of your edit.